Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to a new lesson. Today's lesson is a communication lesson again, expressing, complaining and apologizing. We will be able to make a complaint or an apology to talk about cultural issues. I know, dear students, you like to complain a lot, so let's learn how to complain, but at the same time, we will learn how to apologize. Ready? Let's go! Read the following dialogues and then answer the comprehension questions. Dialogue number 1. Why isn't Peter satisfied with the latest delivery? Let's read the dialogue. Peter says, I'm afraid we have a problem with your latest delivery. It arrived 3 days late again. John, I'm very sorry about that. I'm afraid our driver was delayed at the border. Peter, well, this is about the 10th time that this has happened this year, and we are not satisfied. If this problem is not resolved, I'm afraid we will have to consider changing supplier. John, I understand. I will look into the matter and what I can do to make sure it doesn't happen again. Peter, thank you. I really hope we can sort this out. So, why isn't Peter satisfied with the latest delivery? Any idea? Let's look at the dialogue. Yes? Okay, shall we check our answer? Go ahead. Peter isn't satisfied because the latest delivery arrived 3 days late again. Okay, so Peter is not satisfied. How does he express his dissatisfaction? This is what we are going to see later on. Now, let's move to the second dialogue. Questions. What happened to some of Alex's television sets? 2. What did Jane decide to do to satisfy Alex? Alex. Hello, Jane. I'm calling because we have a problem with our order. Jane. Oh, what seems to be the problem? Did you receive all the goods you ordered? Alex. Well, we received everything, but some of the goods are damaged. Jane. I'm sorry to hear that. In what way are they damaged? Alex, well, the casing on some of the television sets seems to be cracked. Jane, oh, I'm very sorry. This has never happened before. It must be due to bad handling. If you send us back the damaged sets, we'll send you replacements immediately and give you a discount on your next order. Alex, thanks a lot. Jane, I apologize again for any inconvenience caused. Now, do you have any idea about the answers to the questions? What happened to some of Alex's television sets? What happened? 2. What did Jane decide to do to satisfy Alex? Yes? Any idea? Shall we check our answer? Okay, let's check the answer. Some of Alex's television sets were cracked, meaning destroyed. 2. Jane offers replacement of damaged TV sets and a discount in the next order. Now, how does Alex express that he is not happy? And how does Jane apologize? This is what we are going to see later again. Now, let's move to the third dialogue. Questions. Why is the customer unhappy? 2. What is the manager's reaction? Customer. Can I have a word with the manager, please? Manager. Yes, that's me. How can I help you? Customer: well, I just want to complain about the lack of customer service here. I just can't find anyone to help me choose a laptop. Manager: yes, I'm very sorry, madam. We're rather short-staffed at the moment. Please wait here and I'll find someone to help you. Now, let's answer the questions. Why is the customer unhappy? What is the manager's reaction? Look at the dialogue again. Yes? Any idea? Shall we check our answer? Go ahead. Let's check our answer. The customer is unhappy because the service is poor in the place. The manager is sorry because they are short-staffed at the moment. Okay, now let's go and discover these expressions of complaining, of course, and apologizing. We move to task. Task number 2. Read the dialogues again and underline the expressions of complaints and apology. You have some time to read the dialogue and underline or spot the expressions of apology and the expressions of complaint, of course. Yeah? Shall we correct? Yes, go ahead. Great! I'm afraid we have a problem. We have a problem. And of course, the expression is this: I'm afraid we have a problem here. I'm very sorry about that. We're not satisfied. I'm afraid we're not satisfied. Yeah. And the last one, I apologize again for any inconvenience caused. So we have a problem, or I'm afraid we have a problem. I'm sorry to hear that. I am very sorry. I apologize for any inconvenience caused. Which of these are expressions of complaints or complaining, and which are expressions of apologizing? Yes? Let's now move to the second dialogue, or the third dialogue, sorry. Can I have a word with the manager? What is the expression of used here for complaining or apologizing? Well, I just want to complain about. Yes, I'm very sorry. So which one is complaining and which one is apologizing? This is what we are going to discover in the following task. Complete the following charts or table with expressions of complaints and apology, expressions of complaining and expressions of apology. Any idea? Yeah? Shall we correct? Go ahead. Expressions of complaining: I'm afraid we have a problem with. We're not satisfied. We have a problem. Well, I just want to complain. And we can add I'm afraid to we are not satisfied. We have a problem. Expressions of apology: I'm afraid we have a problem with. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry, for I'm afraid we have a problem, it's expressing what? It's expression of complaining, not of apologizing. This is an expression of complaining. Expressions of apology: I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, I am very sorry. And I apologize for any inconvenience caused. Now, let's move to the following task to complete the state.